Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to block Roblox on the Play Store. It's a common concern for many parents and guardians, and thankfully, the Google Play Store offers robust tools to help you manage app access. We'll go over a straightforward process that will empower you to set up effective restrictions. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to implement these controls, ensuring a safer digital environment for your family. Let's dive right in and get started with the first step. The first crucial step involves activating the built-in parental controls within the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app and tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. From there, select Settings, then look for the Family section. Within Family, you'll find Parental Controls. Tap on this option and toggle it to On. You'll then be prompted to create a unique 4-digit PIN. Remember this PIN, as it will be essential for making any future changes to these settings. Once parental controls are active, you can specify which types of content are allowed. Go back into the Parental Controls section and select Apps and Games. Here, you'll see various age ratings. To block Roblox, you'll need to select an age rating that is lower than the rating for Roblox. For instance, if Roblox is rated teen, choosing Everyone 10+ or Everyone will prevent its download. After making your selection, ensure you tap Save to apply these restrictions. This action will immediately take effect, limiting access to apps above your chosen rating. Beyond the Play Store settings, it's always a good idea to implement a strong device password, or PIN. This adds an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized access to the device itself. Remember to periodically review your parental control settings to ensure they are still meeting your family's needs. Technology evolves, and so do apps, so a quick check every few months is beneficial. By following these steps, you've successfully established a robust system for managing app downloads and blocking specific applications like Roblox on the Play Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.